you have to stack the dryer on top of your washer, and you have even two different brands. I'm going to show you this small adapter of a small bracket that is going to work for you. So if you want to do that, I'll show you in Amazon. So that way, if you want to get it, and it works great. So I have it running right now, and it works great. I didn't have any issue. All right. So as you can see, I have an LG. So this is an LG washer, and I have this one is a Mana, as you can see, and it works great. So if you have different brands, it works. So I bought this, and I bought this. So I bought this is the latest one that I bought, and I don't wash all day long. So maybe every 15 days, once a week, maybe, and that's it. And I don't spend here all day long. So I just turn it on, and that's it. And it doesn't matter to me, because the idea, I know for many people will say, oh, but you don't have the panel here. It doesn't matter to me. If you have something with the panel, great. Otherwise, you have to buy one of these steps, put the timer, push the button, and that's it. I don't do this all the time. As you can see, it's running, and I have I have the impact driver over there, and it's not falling or anything like that. And even when the washer is spinning, it works great. Nothing is wrong with it, with this setup. So as you can see, you have these small fix, and is connected by this metal. So you see here, and the same thing in the other side, and it works. And the only thing that I don't like it with the one that I bought from Amazon is the straps. As you can see, I bought this from Home Depot because the one that comes with it is like very, very bad. It's useless to me, but this is very good. It's not going anywhere, and it works. It does the job. I'm happy with it. So if you have to buy something like that, go ahead. Otherwise, I have installed not this type of kit. This is the first time I installed this type of kit, but I have installed another one for another customer when they have the same brand, washer and dryer, and you have like metal plates, a bracket that goes in the back, and two on the side, and that's it. That is another option if you have everything else that is matching the same brand and everything. Otherwise, you can do this and it works. You don't have any issues. If you want to buy this, I'll leave you in the video description. You have all the information. And if you want to keep learning about handyman repairs or anything else, go to the playlist and you will see everything. If you have any question, leave me a comment in the section below. I'll see you next time. All right, so as you can see, this is the kit I was using. I'm still using it. So as you can see here, I mean, it works very good, very good. So it costs $30. So basically you have to put this that you see here, you see this on this area on the side, the other one in the other side. So nothing in the front. It comes with this strap. This strap is trash, it's useless. So that is why I had to buy the one from Home Depot. And as you can see, it says the dimensions and how it works. Very easy. Here you have different. You have the same brand. So if you have Bosch here, and everything is in the front, great. Otherwise, if you are willing to do what I'm doing, it works fine as well. So here it will tell you a few options. Here you see the different width. So most of the time is going to be within these dimensions that you see here, and it works. So I'm very, very happy with this. So as you can see, very easy to install. The only thing that you're going to need is another guy to help you to put it on top of the washer. That's it. Now here, if you see here, I see another options. So I don't know if you want something more expensive, maybe if you want to have some clothing here hanging or something like that. So as you can see here, you have different options. I just choose the regular one. Here it comes with the drawer and another type of hanger for $30. I think is unbeatable. So this is the option that I got. As you can see, $30. And here is what you're going to need. So if you buy this, $10, you get 4. You're going to need only 1. That's it. So this works very, very, very well. I like it a lot. Otherwise, the one that comes with it, I don't like it at all. So if you want to keep learning about more things about how to repair your house and everything, go to my playlist on my YouTube channel. I'll show you how you can do that. If you want to keep learning different things, just type Gavac business with the computer. If you use a cell phone, most likely you're not going to be able to see the playlist. So you go here, playlist here, and then you have everything by different topics. So if you want to learn something else, go there. Or if you're trying to search for something, you don't want to go to the playlist, type here on the magnified glass, and that's it. Hopefully you have enjoyed. If you have any question, leave me a comment in the section below, and I'll leave you the link so that way you can get the same thing if you want to. Thank you for watching. See you next time.